change. And now I want to make a picture on top, so I know which one does what. So if we want this one to be the one where we start the recording, I make an arrow on that, I think. And to do that, the only thing you need to do is select the line tool and sketch out what you want, just like that. Then take it, extrude it 0.4 millimeters, or remove 0.4, so minus 0.4, just like that. And then take extrude again and extrude it 0.4, but instead of joining them, you make a new body, and that's what you're going to print with the separate filament. So first you save all of the text and things on your keycaps that you want to print in one color as a separate STL, print them out, and once you've done that, you let them be on the build plate, and then print the separate STL, which is all of the actual caps with the functional parts that we made before. So I'll sketch out on all of these, and then we'll continue. So now I made these exactly the same as I made the first one, just cutting them out and then making a separate part. So now we have the ones that should be in black and the ones that should be in red. And to make the two separate STLs, first just delete all of the ones that are one color, just like this. And once you've done it, all of these should be black. Then you go up here on the model right here and click save as STL, just like this, spara or save, like that. And then once you've done that, you just do the opposite thing and remove all the black ones and take all the red ones and do the same thing. So that's it. Then we'll slice them and print them out and see how it turns out. Also, I forgot to mention that you need to make sure that the side with the two different colors should face towards the back in Fusion 360, so that way it comes down on the build plate in the slicer. So now in the slicer I'm using the exact same settings as I usually do. You actually need to enable C-hop on the second print in order for the printhead not to collide with the parts that are actually there, and it's probably better to reduce the speed on the first layers to about 50%, but you can do that on the printer by just turning the knob and reduce it and then turn it back up again. Point to layer height. So if we import the files, I know I misspelled right here, but that's okay. Like that, and try to align them and put both at 0 like that. Then when we slice, they won't actually line up, so you see that there's gaps right here and they should align perfectly. So to fix that, you select all models, click merge models, and then ungroup models, and then when you slice, you'll see that now there's no gaps and the models are perfectly aligned. So because you don't want to print both at once because they should be different colors, go ahead and remove the text just like that, slice it, and then you see we only print this, and this is the second part you print. First you print the small text and things like that, and then you print this just on top with leaving the parts right there. So first one G code and then a separate print on top and just leave it, and then it prints around all the other part. So this is the second thing you print, but first save this, and once you've done that, you can import the other one back in and center it again. Like this, center it, and then you can just slice one time to see if it's still okay, and you see they still line up. So then remove the other one, so you have this, then you slice that, a really quick print, and then what you do is you first print this, save it, print it as you usually do. Once it's done, remove the skirt right here. Without removing this, start the second print. It will print around this and fill it all in, but if it crashes into it for some reason, you should stop, or if these come loose or something like that, but it should just print on top and make it so you get dual color print with a printer that only can support a single color. So now I'll print it and show you how it turned out.